Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech Bulletin Prime. I am Rajnikant. I'm planning to create an entire whole series of Angular 9 development. So initially this video will show you how to install the required software for Angular development. Coming next videos I will upload each concepts of Angular. So why wait? Let's see what are the softwares we need to install. So first, Angular CLI, which is known as Angular Command Line Interface, and this is a tool which is used to initialize, develop and maintain Angular applications. To install Angular CLI, we need Node.js. Node.js is coming with a Node Package Manager, and from that Node Package Manager we can install this Angular CLI. So basically we can say first we need to install Node.js, and Node.js will install Node Package Manager, and from that Node Package Manager we can install Angular CLI. So let's see. Let me download the latest version of Node.js. Simply in Google you can type Node.js, and in first link you can go to the Node.js homepage, and in homepage you can see that stable version is there and current latest version is there. So you can go for the latest version. Currently it's 14.4.0. so download this latest version. Then you can hit double click to install this Node.js. Put next, then accept that agreement things, install. It will show you that which folder you need to install. Then install. Next, it will show what are all the components it will install in this screen. Then simply put next. Installation done successfully. Let's check, verify whether it's installed or not. Simple command node-v and hit enter. So let's see, it's showing version 14.4.0. Again we'll check npm version. So we have done with Node.js and npm. We have successfully installed in our machine. So let's see how to install Angular CLI. Now we can install Angular CLI. So for that one, simple command we can write npm install -g @angular/CLI. So here -g indicates it will install that Angular in globally in your machine. So that command we have written. Now hit enter, then it will install the Angular CLI in your machine. It's started. It will take some time to install that CLI. Successfully we have installed Angular CLI. Now let's verify. So type the command ng-version, then it will show all the details, then hit enter. You can see Angular CLI version, node version and other details. So we have verified that it successfully got installed in our machine. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this video will be helpful to you people. Please do like and share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.